Hi everyone, so welcome to 22K, my very first video for Fall Act 2. So we will take a look at what they have already. This is only the first day. They're actually closed to the public. So it's the first day of the launch, and so we will have an opportunity to take a look. Hey, so hi everyone, welcome to my first video of 22K. So let me pull out these tags for all of you that want to see these. This is Fall Act 2, so this is a size 40 denim dress. I'm going to step back a little bit. I will of course be trying these on, and you can see the style, price. So let's move to the next one. This is a very simple basic black dress. It's about midi length, it looks like, but I'll try this one on. This is a size 38. For those of you that recall, I'm kind of a 36, 38, depending on the garment and if it's upper or lower body. This one's 23. This is in person, this is almost a salmon pink. I don't want to say it's pink. And it has pretty cool button detail with a little bit of pink in there. This is probably a 38, we will see. Size 38, says light pink, I would say light salmon, $24.50. Here is the tag for it. Here's the first of two sweaters. There's a green and a pink. And I have heard that these were going to be pretty popular this season. And here's the tag, $23.50 to pull over. This is a size 34, ouch. We'll see how that works. And then we'll be able to compare that to this 36 in green with some purple detail, which here's the tag for it. Of course, the same price. And then this is actually, I believe this is going to be from last season. Those of you who have seen my last video, you know I love the tube top and the skirt. This is actually 22B. Okay, so this is part of the current collection also. And here's the tag. No, yeah, it's 22B, sorry. So that's still Fall Act 1. And here is the jacket, and it matches my tube top and skirt. And then I will show you a couple of other things. So this is the leather version of the dress, the leather version of the denim dress. Here's the tag for this. I have not looked at the price. So this one is a 38. Price is 68. A little on the steep side. Here's the button detail. Very pretty. Here's two pieces that came in. Very, very tiny bag. So I want to emphasize how small this is. I have really small hands. This is the size for those of you looking for this bag. I don't know what this is off the top of my head. Oh, this is a brooch, and it's pretty cute. It's a little tweed. If you love tweed like I do, it might be worth considering. And then I will show you a couple of other pieces as well, which I'll do a separate video on. So this is the handbag, the 19 tweed that came in. It's a size small. This is, see if I can find the tag without disrupting the bag too much. There you go, for those of you looking for this one at 53. Here is a bucket hat. Haven't looked at this yet. It's a size small. For $11.25. Actually, the fabric feels really cool, so we'll give that one a try. A little mini wallet on the back. Something else to look forward to. I don't see the tag for this one though. And then I know there's a lot of controversy around this bag still, but I personally love it, and I'm going to show you my other one. But this is a 22 in so black. So it's black hardware, black, obviously black letters, black pouch inside, and black inside. So I'm gonna get started trying these on. Hi everyone, so my very brief, because there's only a few pieces, try on for 22K Chanel Fall Act 2. I will get started here with a couple of these pieces and show you what they look like. Okay everyone, so this is the denim dress. This is a 40, so I'm going up one size from the black dress that you're gonna see in my next shot, which is a 38. The only issue is that it's still really tight in the neck. Like, it feels like it's right up against the neckline. So that is really uncomfortable. Now, the rest of the dress is not. It's actually surprisingly comfortable, feels good. It has a little bit of a slit in the back, just a very small one. You can see here. It's a medium weight fabric. It's not light like I like, but it's not heavy either, which I don't like. And it has kind of a vintagey feel to it. So I think this one will probably be better first impression than the black one that I'm going to try here shortly. So this is what the denim dress looks like. My first impression is I'm not super loving it. My next impression after wearing it for a minute is I like it a little bit more. My final impression is that it's just too much money for what we are getting. I'll try to come down here. Sorry, I have a broken toe joint, so it's a little difficult. So I wasn't able to zip up the back all the way, just sheer angle. It's really tight, right? So I've been having that issue more with Chanel in the neckline. It's really tight in the neckline. So, and it's very tight under the arms. I know under the arms can be resolved, but I just feel like it's not, of all the pieces coming in this season, this is not the one for me. So we'll see what you all think. Again, you can see the button detail here. You can see how the back fits. And I wish I could use the mirror angle, but this particular fitting room doesn't have that set up. So kind of working with what I have here. But yeah, this is the first piece and it's the leather dress. And here we go. So I'll try on the next one. All right, hi everyone. So this is the black kind of, I thought it was a midi length. I introduced it as a midi length dress in my little kind of quick overview. It's definitely knee length, as you can see kind of in the background here. I'm working with a kind of funky fitting room, not my usual one, trying to find angles here with chairs and so on. So I apologize if it's not an ideal footage spot, but here's what the back looks like. I think the shape on the body is fantastic. Sizing is perfect. This one to me is one of these dresses you can buy and wear forever. So I think this is a good investment piece. As you know, many of you know, one of my goals with these videos and my channel is to try to figure out what in the heck we're going to actually spend our money on, because there's too many options. And you know, money is scarce. We work really hard for it, and it's important that we get things we're going to like and we're going to use for a long time. So I'm trying to help myself and all of you discern what the heck we're going to spend our cash on. And so that's one of the reasons I love doing this. I know many of you have commented that it helps you, or you screenshot the tags and you go find pieces yourself. That's the whole point. So if you have any questions or there's things you want me to do differently in my try-ons, just let me know. I love the feedback. So please go ahead and ask, and I'm happy to do what I can. So this is, again, this piece. I want to show you a bag that was not in my little bag lineup. Okay, so you see how it's crooked? I don't notice that stuff usually, but it's pretty crooked. Even my fashion advisor said it's not crooked, and then she said it's the tag, and then she looked at it, she's like, oh, it's crooked. So this one's crooked, ladies and gentlemen. So I know this is a pretty coveted bag this season, and you can put a phone in the back kind of this way, but the crookedness is a problem. But the price is very nice. I mean, okay, it's not very nice, but it's $3,800 compared to many other bags. But I just want you to know that if you're looking for something larger, this is not going to be it. So I have a really small hand. I give it 2 hands, barely, in this bag, okay? So that's how tiny it is. In fact, let me show you. This is a little card holder, and that is max, okay? That's the max you're going to get in terms of length for this bag. So if you're looking for this one, just know that the reason it's so inexpensively priced compared to other Chanel is that it's really small. So I do think it's super cute, and I do think it's very convenient, a very convenient bag. Just know that it's not going to be your largest choice. But back to the dress, I think it looks good, and I like it a lot. I'm going to show you a bucket bag with this dress just because it's black. A bucket hat, sorry, because it's black, and I'm going to show you 2 other bags. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the size small bucket hat. I think it's too high, it's too tall, right? So I feel like somebody on Gilligan's Island, I don't know. So for me, this one's no, but for those of you who like the color, you can see what the colors are. I'm so excited. We're gonna have a new iPhone that will let me take better front videos for all of you. That'll be nice. Let me show you this 19. I liked it a lot in the look. The looks, I don't like it so much in person. I love tweed, I love 19 bags. This one I'm just not like, I have to have it kind of feeling. In fact, I like the little mini one I just showed you more than this one, but that's an option. And then one that I will certainly take with is the So Black 22. It's so easy, that's so horrible joke, so easy to wear, and it'll fit all my camera equipment. So I think this one is fantastic. This, maybe I'm missing something. I'll try it on in the mirror. No, I'm not missing something. It's too Gilligan. I feel like some player, actor on Gilligan's Island. And then here's the 19. So now I'll try on another outfit. This is probably my worst try on yet because these are so mismatched. It's just horrible. But I don't have anything to try this on with. So first, let me just take a look at this sweater. So this matches what I have already, but it is the new collection. Its fit is just not that great, as you can see from the back, from the front. It's nice that it matches what I have, but I think what I have is better. So this to me is definitely a flat no. So let's take a look at this skirt. Really similar to last season. I really don't know how this fits with fall, but you know, that's not up to me. That's what it looks like in the back. It is really similar to what you'll see in my 22B video 2, 3, 4, I think. Use different color skirts. I want to find out what's going to come with this. I think something in this tan or light yellow would be nice. Again, get the buttons reinforced, ladies, because it's a hot mess, okay? The buttons are a hot mess. I can guarantee you if I fiddle with this enough, it's going to come right off in my hand. So this is what the button looks like on. I think the skirt's really cute. I don't know that it's a need to have, so that's for all of you to decide, but let me know what you think. Now I'll try the next one on. All right, so obviously I'm leaving on the salmon pink skirt just to try some other pieces on because I don't have jeans with me today. But this is the 34 and it fits perfect. So it is running large. Those of you looking for this sweater is running large. For me, 1 to 2 sizes large. It is a blend of cashmere and polyurethane, I think, and polyester. So it's got some stretch and no wool, so that's good. And this is what the back looks like. And the attention that it's getting is because of the C's on the arm. As you know, people really love having C's on their clothes. And here's a pretty cool little detail that I had not seen until just now. Like a little charm here. So I only have one more sweater to try, which is this in green and a 36, and then I'll be wrapped up with my first 22K video. I'm going to try to get in here every week to film, so you can all see what's available in your what's available for you to order. And but I will be out like maybe 10 days having another surgery, so I can properly walk, and so I will be. There's going to be a little bit of a gap, but I'm going to do my best to minimize it. So here is sweater. I think it looks nice. And now I'll try on the green one. Okay, so I know it's a little hard to see. I think I'm going to bring my own light from now on and just like put it right here. So this one is, it's green, but it has blue and a little bit of dark purple mixed in. Much better than the pink for me because my eyes are kind of a hazel color. Has a purple CC on the side. It's a 36. It does feel better than the 34. So maybe they are running one size smaller and not 2 sizes. There's the back. Still fits the same. Does feel really nice. Fantastic weight. Love this piece. So this one is another one I'll wear with jeans, white jeans, blue jeans, and it's really comfortable. And also I think it's very easy to wear with a lot of different pieces. Thank you for watching my very first 22K video. As I'm proceeding, last time I think I ended up with 6 or 7 on one collection. So as I'm proceeding through them, they're very slowly filtering items in. Let me know what you'd like me to include in the video. I'm gonna get these posted as fast as possible so you have them. And let me know what else you want me to do. More info on content, fabric content. Should I do more upfront to introduce it? Do you want more just trying on? Do you want more angles? Let me know what will help all of you so I can make this channel better, because really I'm trying to create a community among folks who don't just like Chanel ready to wear, but I have Balmain, Hermes, and I'm trying to grow some Prada. I'm trying to grow different collections for us to curate and decide what we want to spend our money on. So thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, I would love it if you would like this video, and if you'd like to see more content or be notified, click the little bell or subscribe, and thank you for watching.